Right, so welcome back to Rookie Reviews. We're just doing a short little video today. Me and Barnes have been modding our cars again, haven't we?
We have been very busy.
So we got in contact with the guys at KSB, and we've ordered and purchased and fitted, as you can see, the splitter and side blade pack that they do for the M135s, and they also do it for the M140 and various other cars. So we thought we'd do a little video just to show what it's like, what the quality is like, and we also got our friend Sean down today in his M3. He's got a full Maxton kit on his, and I know these are sort of two of the popular designs, so we thought we'd show the differences and maybe help you decide which one you want to get.
Sounds good to me.
So let's start off talking about the KSB. So do you want to start us off, mate?
Yeah. So the KSB kit is high gloss black, 2mm ABS, and comes with a very helpful fitting kit, although from our experience we are going to recommend that you buy another set, at least another sort of 20 or so
extra
self-drilling.
Extra self-tappers were definitely used, and they make it a lot easier to fit.
Yeah,
if you
a lot easier.
You don't have to remove the front bumper then. They do suggest that you remove the front bumper for fitment. We didn't.
That's a lot of effort.
We're lazy,
yeah.
So we jacked the car up and used lots of self-tappers with washers onto the front end, because let's be honest, these kits aren't actually adding any real aero, are they?
No. What you're technically doing is adding weight to the car
and drag,
reducing your performance. Why do we do it?
It looks cool.
It does look cool. Yes.
So the KSB high gloss finish, whereas the Maxton, you'll notice, is more of a satin finish. For both of us personally, mine being the white car and Barnes being the black, we wanted that high gloss finish against the car.
Yeah, I think for mine, especially with the sapphire black, the high gloss blends in really nicely.
Yeah, it
makes it look like it's part of the vehicle.
But both kits really easy to fit as well. I think like it didn't take us it took us a couple of hours, if that, to get. Once we'd done one, we knew what we were doing on the second one.
The main thing that you want to do if you're buying two kits, or you and a friend are buying the same kit, is always make sure that your friend is the one who fits it first.
Yes.
Because they then learn all the mistakes.
Yeah. Although I did drill an extra hole in this.
I was just thinking that.
If you ever see Barnes's, there's a slightly bigger hole in one of the side skirts. Sorry about that.
It's alright.
We don't know how to shoot the video. Yeah. But apart from that, there's a lot of similarities. I mean, obviously this is an M3, it's not a 135, so you're not going to get a real view of what the Maxton kit is for the 135. But the quality, I would say, is about the same. The thickness of the plastic, the sturdiness, the fitting kits that they come with are pretty much equal, aren't they?
Yeah, I think one of the things that we could say is that, having looked at the M135 and 140 splitters from Maxton versus KSB, the design is very similar.
Yeah.
The only difference being that Maxton have their indentation in the middle for their own logo.
Yeah.
Admittedly, the KSB ones do come with a logo. It's simply a fairly nice little badge tagged onto the corner.
But we took those off.
Dead easy to take off though if you don't want them.
And the other thing as well is that when it comes down to value of the money, KSB are doing a really good. KSB are doing a really good deal, whereas I think you can get the front splitter and the side blades for £160 for the whole lot, whereas the Maxton I think will see you over 200, which is still a very good price, like for what effectively changes the look of the car and brings it a lot lower. But you have to say that the KSB is better.
There's a reason we didn't include it today.
Just tried not to even tell him that it was on.
How did he find it?
So, to summarise, if you're looking for a simple, easy split kit that adds a good look to the car and isn't going to break the bank, we can definitely recommend the KSB. And if you go for the Maxton and you want the more satin finish, you can't go wrong either with the quality. So, hope you found the video helpful. We're going to be back doing a bit more sort of regular videos now.
Yeah, fingers crossed, things have settled down a little bit.
We'll probably get Dan in a little bit more regularly, because even if we try and do it without him, we can't.
Yeah, apparently he just turns up and tries to ruin things for us.
And we are going to try and do a video on this car when Sean's got a bit more time to let us use it, and we've got a couple of other things in the pipeline. And as I'm sure you noticed, Dan's bought himself a truck, so I think it'd be rude not to take that through some Fords and do a couple of videos on that as well.
Yeah, I think field jumping a few hedges
Off-road.
on proper off-road, yeah.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below if you want to know any more information about the splitters. Let us
Ask
know.
us, what was it like to fit it? How long did it take? Well, we've already said
We've
how long
answered
it
those
take. Yeah,
ones,
that's
so
true.
probably-
But what kind of, what's that thing that we put under it? That then
Jack.
lifted the car? That was it, yeah.
We used a jack.
Yeah.
That was it. Just needed a jack
Professional level installation.
and an impact driver.
Yeah.
Fine. Right, so we'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching.
That was shit. Didn't even spin. That way, the other one did. This tire didn't. Honestly, I've never seen anything like it. Talk about rookie review.
You need to take your handbrake off.
My first dozer.
And then talking to the guys at KSB, we were able to put together a couple of packs at a very good price, including the side plates.
You are waffling on waiting.
Oh yeah.
Should we try that again?
what do you want me to say?
Let's try it. The intro bit was alright, but you were just waffling, Barnes.
Yeah, it's early on a Sunday morning.